didn't, Oswald. Yeah, I just saved a worm's life. So,
You saved a worm's life?
Yeah. He's bitten right here, and right here. Now that's a bird's.
He looks in great shape, by the way. You saved him from a bird?
Yeah.
She chased down the bird. Look, there's the bird over there. He's pissed, dude. He's like, what the fuck? Okay, well, we did it. We saved him, Patty. Let's go back.
Yeah, can we put that guy back in his hole?
I'll just let him be. I think the bird's actually going to come back for him. He's cut in half. He really can't survive. Here, well, just watch and see what happens. Come on, let's see if the bird comes back and eats him. Here, let's go watch from the window, Patty. Patty, come inside here. Come here.
Oh, he's going back for it. He's going back for it.
All right, let's see if he does.
Okay, let's go.
Patty!
I didn't scare him.
Oh, she's gone, dude.
Bro, I'm gonna go. Here, let me see the camera.
Okay, here you go. Here you go. I think the bird already took him, though.
Let's see if he took him. Yeah. Oh my god, he took him. All I see left is this little bug and an ant. Whoa, dude! I think it's from that bird. Nobody's coming. Dang it! Right there. Yo, he got the bird. You should have got the bird. You know how you could give a bird the bird? I put a bird off. The bird a bird. Anyway, thanks for watching.
You did, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, watch that video. Because I caught that bird eating the worm.
Wait, seriously, bro?
Yeah, watch it.
I'm gonna watch it. Thank you all for watching. Okay. Goodbye.